Are you ready to take your SQL Server troubleshooting skill to the next level? Hi, my name is Javier Villegas, Microsoft MVP Data Platform, and I'm super excited to invite you to my upcoming session at CloudDataDriven online user group meeting, where I will be talking about troubleshooting Azure SQL and SQL Server using ExtendEdevent. If you have ever faced performance issues, unexpected error, or you just want deeper insight into your database behavior, this session is for you. Join me on Thursday, February 27th at noon Eastern Time and learn how ExtendEdevent can help you to diagnose and resolve SQL Server issues like a pro. Register now visiting datadrivencommunity.com. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your SQL Server troubleshooting experience. See you there.